Good morning everyone and welcome to Ambuja Public School, Rabriawaz. So dear students, I am your maths teacher Vinita Patel ma'am. So in this chapter number 3, today I am going to teach you multiplication. Okay. We all have learned multiplication facts of 2, 3, 5, 10. And today I am going to explain you the multiplication facts of 4. Okay. So let's see the multiplication facts of 4. Okay. Now let's read how many jigsaw pieces are there. Okay. So dear students, are you able to see the jigsaw pieces here? Yes. So jigsaw, you all have solved the jigsaw puzzles, and puzzles are having these type of pieces. Okay. And when we attach the pieces in a proper manner, we will solve our puzzle. Okay. Here I am going to show you the jigsaw pieces. Okay. So first question asks us that how many jigsaw pieces are there? So we have to count the jigsaw pieces. Okay. So first we have to do that. How many groups are there? First we have to count the groups. Okay. So first group, second group, third group, fourth group and fifth group. So total 5 groups are here. Okay. And in each group, how many jigsaw pieces are there? Each group is having 4 pieces. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group is having 4 pieces. Okay, and it remains same. Every time the same number will be continued. Okay, so 4 is here. When we are going to add 4 more, it will be converted to 8. Then 8 plus 4, it will automatically convert into 12. 12 plus 4 equals to then 16. And when we add 4 and 16, we will get number 20. Okay. So we can say that 4 plus 4, together we can say that 8. In this 12, in this 16 and in this 20. Okay, so we can say that 5 fours because 5 groups are here. Okay, so first we have to write down the group, and each group is having 4 things, 4 jigsaw pieces. Okay, so we can say that 5 fours are 20, and in this way also we can write 5 fours are 20. We will get the answer 20 from here. Okay. So the answer is this. There are 20 jigsaw pieces. So how many jigsaw pieces are here? 20. 20, 20. You will get the answer with the help of this image. So let's move forward. There are 10 groups of 4 jigsaw pieces. Now how many groups are here? 10 groups. Okay. So what we have to do, let's count in fours to find the number of jigsaw pieces. So first we have to find out that it is written here 10 groups of 4 jigsaw pieces. So first we have to count 10 groups. Let's count 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups and 10 groups. So total 10 groups are here, and each group is having 4 jigsaw pieces. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, each group is having 4 jigsaw pieces, and all are same. Every time plus 4 is here, so we can say that, in other words, it's a repeated addition. Okay, it's a repeated addition. In repeated addition, students, we all will add the same number again and again. As you observe here, we add the same number again and again. Okay, so let's see what we will do and how to count. 4, when we add plus 4, it will automatically convert into 8. So we can say that 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights, 4 times 8, so we can say that 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And 4 tens are 40. Okay. Now we have to do this activity again. Again we have to read it louder. Okay. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. And 4 tens are 40. Okay, everyone? So, how many jigsaw pieces are in all? So, there are total 40 jigsaw pieces. Okay? 10 groups and each group is having 4 jigsaw pieces. So, let's see. Each group is having 4 jigsaw pieces. So, we can say that 10 fours are 40 because 10 groups. Each group is having 4 jigsaw pieces. So, we can say that 10 fours are 40 or 10 fours are 40. So, there are 40 jigsaw pieces altogether. Okay. There are 40 jigsaw pieces altogether. So, dear students, it's written here also. There are 10 groups of 4 jigsaw pieces. So, 40 jigsaw pieces are in all. Let's learn the multiplication table of 4. Okay. So, we will start learning the multiplication table of 4. Let's learn with me and speak with me. 1 fours are 4. 2 fours are 8. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 24. 7 fours are 28. 8 fours are 32. 9 fours are 36 and 10 fours are 40. Let's do it again. 1 fours are 4. 2 fours are 8. Okay. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 24. 7 fours are 28. 8 fours are 32. 9 fours are 36. And 10 fours are 40. Okay, students, so you have to learn the table of 4 and try to do this at home. Thank you, everyone.